The most important thing in life is the right perspective. Sometimes big problems turn out to be tiny.
When I was a child, I really wanted to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. My mother knew how to solve one layer, which was unimaginable to me.
Years later, I decided to look for answers on how to do it.
Master, what should I do? Just follow your destiny.
Intuitive attempts had no effect other than frustration and discouragement. I tried to understand the essence of this puzzle. At times I wanted to let go, but something kept repeating in my head.
You should not do that.
So I chose not to do that. After a while, only one word resounded in my head: train. It was not as exciting as I expected. The same sequences, repeated over and over again, hours spent learning the right moves, working out the basic despite being tired, and maybe thanks to it, I tried to learn the basics well, and then see what I am able to achieve. It's like packing the most necessary things in a backpack and going on a journey with it. You probably know this feeling well. You try to do something, learn something, but it doesn't work. Despite this, you keep trying, you start to notice some dependencies, patterns, and finally, the dots connect. You begin to see something very difficult not as an obstacle, but as a chance for yourself to see if this time will be like the last time. What I mean? Click.
The progress was visible. Now I know that my master was right.
I'm talking about the specific moment when suddenly something changes in your head and our skill jumps to a higher level. Then I got the impression that
Progress was incredibly fast. Then I decided to make my life a little bit harder.
it's like riding a bike. At the beginning, we fall and get up. We can barely manage to ride a few meters. Then, the ride is not difficult for us, and in the end, we ride without a grip. The beauty of this process is that it is completely repeatable. We learn the basic and train. We feel confident, then we add something new, remembering to break the pattern sometimes.
My journey started years ago. Since then, I have passed several competitions. Several challenges, and the whole thing continues to this day. And remember that you are the master from the beginning of the recording. See you.